been having a little bit of a overheating problem. Not really too bad, but different than before when I changed the crank on it. And since then, I think I either may have put a wrong head gasket on it or something. So Toon Daddy Brad told me to pull a head off. Check it out. So that's what we're doing.
장난 아니 됐어 굳이 욕해서 where you find me 와리가리 I be on my own 좀 많이 시비 걸어봐 hit my line don't play me boy don't play me 장난하니 됐어 굳이 욕해서 where you find me 와리가리 I be on my own 좀 많이 시비 걸어봐 hit my line don't play me boy don't play me boy don't play me 나 지역을 전화 hit raise me You praising your guy, you crazy 그 미래는 버려 cause lately psychopath처럼 I've been making up 벗고 있어 바로 밑에 미쳐버린 내 머릿속에 넌 모르잖아 내게 헌재 You don't know what I do up on the weekends 괴물도 아니고 꿈에서 상상할 수 없는 놈이니까 기생충 곡상황마다 보았다 그놈 없어지잖아 It's the kid but I be an old boy Better not step out of line 15년 locked up and I locked in 시비 걸어봐 장난하니 됐어 굳이 오해서 where you find me 와리가리 I be on my own 좀 많이 시비 걸어봐 hit my line don't play me boy don't play me 장난하니 됐어 굳이 오해서 where you find me 와리가리 I be on my own 좀 많이 시비 걸어봐 hit my line don't play me boy don't play me
Just happy nothing major happened so far. No cracks. Nothing like that. Looking pretty decent. Oh yeah. Hopefully a new gasket and we'll be ready to rock. Got a few tires ready to rip. Let's go.
So we're here in the shop. Brad finally got some time to get away from his busy projects and check out Old Blue here. And since ICC, it's been missing on the 8th cylinder. Not like completely, but like not hitting on it right. So he wanted to do some diagnostics, and we run a full compression test on the truck today, and it passed the compression test. And he had found that I had a weak injector. So we took the injector out of Marine and swapped it out so we can test it here real quick, and we're gonna see if that fixes the issue. But I didn't ruin a cam, I didn't ruin a piston, I didn't blow up a motor this time, luckily. So, Old Blue's back together. We robbed the injector, like I said, out of Marine to test it. So Marine's little clip's gonna have to wait for a new injector because this truck's probably done until next season because it doesn't need tore up anymore. You may have seen this car sitting around the shop. It's a Conquest. Used to be an old car audio car, but Brad's been working on it. Look at those sexy motor mounts. But anyway, it's gonna get a 302 out of a Mustang put in it. Think it'll rip? Yeah?
All right, well, head gaskets came in and definitely looking different. Here's the old set versus new set. No hole, hole. No hole, hole. No hole. Wait. Strike that, reverse it. But yeah, it's gonna have a lot more flow now and not flow where it didn't need to be. Get her on there and see how it works.
Brad, what do you got going on over here?
Just doing some tigging
Yeah?
a little bit. Doing a little modifying.
So we're back over here with the Conquest. Brad's been working on this thing for a few days. Had to build his own header. Look at that. Look how pretty that looks down there. This, look, didn't have hardly any room at all. I think he's about to start this thing up. He says he's going to do full exhaust on it too. So it'll have exhaust all the way out the back. I'm excited to see this little thing rip.
But don't start it right now.
Okay.
Look at it again. One more.
Oh. There we go. We hear fuel pump now.
Okay, turn it over.
Well, that was easy.
Yeah.
Fucking started like butter.
Hang on.
Okay.
Back from the depths.
Huh?
Conquest, back from the depths. What happened? Well, while taking out the heads and took off the intake, I dropped this little nut right here down in my head, and it went all the way to the bottom. Couldn't get it out, so I had to pull the motor, drop the pin, get it out. Now to put it all back together, just got my gaskets and my bolts. We'll throw the heads back together and put it in. Send it. Working on the big block here. Just about got it ready. Love this thing. Looks so sick. About ready to drop it back in.
Black Friday build-up at Lowe's. For just $79, get your choice of Cobalt 24-volt
Dad just welded me up here. Look at that sexy job. Got my steering all lined out. ICC there, my weld broke down here and lost my steering right at when we were having our driver's meeting. We pulled out on the pad to get pictures and stuff, and steering broke right then, so I had to pull my header off and have one of the guys help me weld it up there. And now it's gonna be dialed in, ready to go. Steers better than ever. Ready to throw this motor in now. Let's go, baby.
Yeah, legend status, ask about the name. I've been putting in work, collecting, fuck the fame. Up in the stat while they watching the 10 in the game. Either you in it or just a critic, man, we ain't the same. I'm focused on making this history. Into my top 5 list is listing me. I never got an L on pass, this ain't no breeze. I had to make the workout last, the bill of steam. It's different degrees, and know I do this here with the ease. It never been easy, slim, just keep one up the sleeve. I saw I knew they had the passion, so I'm to the degree. But I keep forward here to go.
Just purring. How's the oil pressure? Good? Oil pressure good?
51 right now.
51 at idle. What do you think of that, bud?